Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix Print Preview is not available in the Microsoft Word. Let's go start. Rest the Windows key, search for Services, and click the top result to open the console. Scroll down, locate Print Spooler in the list of services. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Restart from the context menu. Wait for the Printer Spooler service to restart. Press the Windows key and type in the Control Panel, and click on Control Panel into the search bar. Then click on Devices and Printers. Printer and Scanners. Select any printers. Scroll down in More Devices and Printer Settings. And ensure a printer is installed and set as default. Open the Microsoft Word. Go to File for left corner, the Click Options. Click on Advanced from the left side menu. Scroll down to show document content, and uncheck Show Picture Placeholders. Again, go to File Options, Add-ins. Select COM Add-ins from the drop-down and click Go. Uncheck everything, click OK, and restart Word. Open the any Word file your computer and try to print. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.